This exercise is based on elimination method, and as much as you will practice both the method, you will get used to it. That's it. Okay.
Okay,
But
ma'am.
your answer is perfect. Yes, Harshit, Ziana, and Arya, please give the assessment. Okay, we have already activated the assessment in your account. Please give it and check whether you are able to understand the question all by yourself or not. Okay, do you want to ask
Okay.
anything? Anyone?
No, mom.
Okay, Harshit, Arya, and Ziana, I am keeping it this much. Few more concepts are here which we need to discuss. We will be taking questions from here. Today I am keeping it this much. Please give the assessment. Okay. For now, thank you everyone. Take care of yourself.
Bye, mom.
Yeah, take care. Bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Hi Shamya.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening. How are you?
I am
Farhan.
fine.
Okay. So we were discussing rational numbers we will be taking today. Just a moment. Can you see the screen? Shamya, Arhan.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Just a moment. So the first question, which is from this rational number, we were discussing that in the previous class, and that was find five rational number in between two given rational number, that is 2 by 3, 4 by 5, or maybe minus 3 by 2, 5 by 3. So we have already discussed that first, suppose we are having two rational number, that is 2 by 3 and 4 by 5. And in between this two rational number, we have to find five rational number. Then we were discussing on the previous day that first thing first, we have to make the denominator same. Once we will be able to make the denominator same, then if we need five rational number, then at least 5 plus 1. 6 we need to multiply in the numerator as well as denominator. Okay. So that was clear to you, to both of you, Samya and Arhan?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now let's say we are having few question like this. What is the rational number? The rational number that does not have a reciprocal? Who will answer? Shamya?
Ma'am, 0.1.
Yes,
Yes,
Samya.
ma'am. 0.1.
Is it 0, 0 by 1, 0 by 2, whatever, 0, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
The rational number which does not have a reciprocal is 0. Okay, we cannot say 0 by any number we can take to represent it in the form of p by q, but we cannot take the reciprocal. Okay, that way, because on day one I was telling you that in mathematics, if the denominator is 0, that is not acceptable, that is not defined in mathematics. So we cannot take the reciprocal. We cannot say 2 by 0, 3 by 0, 1 by 0. No, by 0, denominator 0, denominator should not be 0 anytime. Okay, next question is the rational number that are equal to their reciprocal. Yes, Samya and Arhan.
Ma'am, any natural numbers?
Which rational number?
Ma'am, natural numbers.
Any natural number that are equal to their reciprocal. So if we will take any natural number, let's say I am taking 3. 3 is a rational number. Yeah. Is it same as its reciprocal? If I will write the reciprocal of 3, it will become 1 by 3. So 3 and 1 by 3 is same? No. Is it same?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
What is that rational number? When we
Ma'am,
will take
1.
the reciprocal of that number, it will eventually be same only.
Ma'am, 1.
Yeah, Arhan, what you said?
1.
Exactly. And what else? Integers. So 1 and
Ma'am, -1.
exactly 1 and -1. Okay, if we will do the reciprocal of 1, it will remain 1. If we will take the reciprocal of -1, it will remain -1. Right?
Yes.
Right, Arhan?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, one more MCQ question. The rational number that is equal to its negative. What is that rational number which is equal to its negative? Which integer is there? Which positive negative sign doesn't matter. It doesn't take the positive sign negative.
Ma'am, 0.
Exactly. It's 0. It will not take positive sign. It will not take negative sign. Positive, negative, both are same thing. 0. Okay. That's a rational number. That's a rational number that is equal to its negative. We never write -0. Okay. 0 is 0. Got it, Shamya?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, I was telling you on the previous day, I was telling you that when we are having 2.5, this is terminating decimal number, right? Right?
Yes, ma'am.
We can write it in form of p by q. What can be written if I want to write it in the form of p by q? What can be written for that?
Ma'am, 25/10.
25 upon 10. Perfect. Shamya, if we are having 0.367 and I want to write it in the form of p by q, rational number, What can be written over here? Yes, Samya?
Ma'am, 1 minute.
Okay. Are you doing anything? We don't have to do anything. Okay, we just need to take this number, whatever digits you can see over on the screen, write it without decimal. Zero
Ma'am,
three
upon
six
100.
seven. Yeah, what?
Ma'am, upon 100. 367 upon 100.
Is it upon 100 or Han?
Yes, ma'am. No, ma'am. 1,000.
Exactly, Samya. It is 1000. How we write it? We write it. You when you were very small, you must have done that for decimal write 1, and after that whatever digits are there, for every digit write 0. So decimal will give 1 and then 0 for each and every digit, and we are done.
Okay.
Getting?
Yes, ma'am.
If we are having 25.6, how can we write it, Shamya? Just write the numbers, whatever you can see on the screen without
Ma'am,
decimal.
ma'am, 256 upon 1000.
1000, no. For decimal 1, and after decimal whatever is there after decimal, that many is 0. That's it. Getting?
Ma'am,
Yes, ma'am.
256 upon 10.
Exactly. Now Samya, 32.53. Tell me.
Ma'am, 3253 upon 100.
Perfect. It's that simple. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
This is how we can write a given decimal number, a terminating decimal number, in the form of p by q, that is rational number. That's why we are saying that terminating decimal number is a rational number. Terminating decimal number is a rational number. Non-terminating decimal number is also rational number, but it has to be recurring. So non-terminating recurring decimal number is also a rational number. If I am taking 0.3 bar, okay, or maybe dot on the head of 3, this is non-terminating but recurring decimal number, and this also falls in the category of rational number. We can write it as a like 0.3. Just remove the decimal. We have removed the decimal. We can write 0.3 directly. We can write it as a 3 over, since one digit is repeating itself, it will be 3 by 9. Now, how we are going to get this 3 by 9? Is there any proof for that? Because the proof for the previous one is there. Okay, previous one is there. You must know that when we are having by 100, we can write the decimal from the last two digit, we can count and then we can put the decimal. You must know that when we are having 525 by 100, we can write it as a 525, and since two zeros are there from the last two digit, and then here we can put the decimal. This is how we can convert this fraction into decimal directly without doing long division method. Even if we will do long division method, this is what we are going to get as an answer. Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
so this concept is known to you, but how we are getting this 3 by 9, that we are going to discuss today. When 0.3 bar is there, or maybe 0.25 bar is there, then we will write 25 by 99. How it became 25 by 99? Let's see. Let's say we are having 0.3 bar. Okay, and we want to write it in the form of p by q, but not short form. The short trick is 3 by 9. The short trick is 25 by 99. We are going to find, we are going to use the whole, show each and every step that how we will be getting 3 by 9 from here. So please see carefully the steps. The same step we need to follow whenever we are having non-terminating recurring decimal number. Check the steps. First thing first, we need to take whatever is there, we need to assume it as x. So we will be taking 0.3333. We understand that 3 bar means 3333. Keep on coming. Okay. So whatever is there, assume it. Or whatever digit number is repeating itself, just write it few times and then just give 3 dots. 3 dots in mathematics means it is just keep on going. Okay. Now, since one digit is repeating itself, 3, again 3, again 3. How many digit is repeating itself? One digit is there. A certain particular digit 3 is there which is repeating itself again and again. So we will be multiplying with 10. One digit repeating itself, multiply with 10. Two digit repeating itself, multiply with 100. Three digit repeating itself, multiply with 1000. So since one digit is repeating itself, we will multiply with 10 over here. Okay. So let's say this is equation number 1. Our assumption is equation number 1. Let's multiply both sides by 10. So we will be getting 10x is equals to 10 into 0.3333. Whatever was given, we have assumed it as x. After that, we need to multiply both sides by the number. If 2 digit repeating itself by 100, if 3 digit repeating itself by 1000, if 4 digit repeating itself by 10,000, like that. Okay. Now, can you tell me what we will get when we will multiply 10 with 0.33? When we will do the multiplication, this right hand side, the underlined part, can you tell me what are we going to get? The
Ma'am,
underlined part.
3.33.
Yes, Samya. He is
Ma'am,
saying
3.
3.333. Is it? Are you agreeing with him?
Yes, ma'am.
It will be yes.
Ma'am, 3.3
Perfect.
bar.
Yeah. What?
Ma'am, 3.3 bar. Everything.
Yes, 3.3 bar, 3.3333. So we will be getting 3.333. It will keep on repeating itself. Here on the other side, we are having 10x. Let's say this one is equation number 2. Now we need to subtract equation 2 minus equation 1. Whenever we are going to subtract two equations, keep in mind always we will subtract the left hand side of the equation. From the left hand side, we will do the subtraction and the right hand side will get subtracted to the right hand side. So what I am saying? I am saying that if we are doing the subtraction, this 10x we will subtract with this x, like 10x minus x we need to write. Left hand side will get subtracted from left hand side and right hand side will get subtracted from right hand side. Let me write that step. So 10x minus x, and equation 2's right hand side is 3.333. Equation 1 0.3333. Okay, we are having this, we are having this. Is it clear so far?
Yes, ma'am.
Arhan, is it clear so far?
Ma'am, why are we taking minus x and not minus 10x?
Yeah, we can do minus 10x also. We can also subtract 1 minus 2. We have done 2 minus 1 so that we will get a positive answer. 10x minus x is plus 9x. If we will do x minus 10x, then also it will be perfect. But that time we will get negative 9x and negative here and there. We just have to shift it. Nothing else. We can check it that way also. Okay, let's
Okay,
check.
ma'am.
Simultaneously, we are going to do that way also. Equation 1 minus equation 2. Equation 1 left hand side x, equation 2 left hand side 10x. Equation 1 left hand side is 0.3333 continued minus equation 2 left hand side right hand side is 3.3333 continued. Okay, here we are going to get, on the left side we are going to get 9x is equals to, can you tell me 3.3333 minus 0.333 is what?
Ma'am, 3.
Shamya, is it 3?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Let me help you recalling. If any time you are not getting the process for addition or subtraction for decimal number is write decimal below decimal. Okay, so 0.3333 decimal below decimal, and then do the addition or do the subtraction, whatever you have to do. But keep in mind that add, whenever you are adding the decimal number, whenever you are subtracting the decimal number, write decimal below decimal, and then go ahead and do the addition, go ahead and do the subtraction. So when we will write decimal below decimal, you can see 0.3. So we got 3.000, that means only 3. Okay, same concept we apply when we are going to buy any stuff from the market. Suppose one of the stuff I am buying, maybe a pencil box, the price is rupees 20.75, and I am buying a pen, the pen's price is rupees 5.25. And when I want to add this two, how I'll be adding? I need to add it by writing decimal below decimal. So 20.75, and here 5 point below point, and then 25. Like this I am going to go ahead and do the addition. So 5 5 10 0, carry 1, 7 8 9, 1 10 0, carry 1 in hand, 5 plus 1 6. So basically I need to pay 26 rupees to the shopkeeper, 0.00 passive. Getting it? Getting it? This is how we will
Yes,
be
ma'am.
doing the subtraction. Now why I'm showing you the subtraction? Because here you need to do the subtraction by yourself. Okay, in here it is clear, but in the other equation you have to do it by yourself. So here we'll be getting x equals to 3 by 9, which I was telling you that we will be getting 3 by 9. Just a second. So I was telling you that we will be getting 3 by 9. We will be getting, if 0.3 bar is there, and if we have to write it in the form of rational number, it will be 3 by 9. How? This is how it will be 3 by 9. Then we can reduce it in lowest term. Yes, Arhan, your way, we have written here x minus 10x. So on the left hand side it will be minus 9x. On the right hand side it will be 0.3333. This will we need to do the multiplication, sorry, the subtraction. 0.3333, that we need to subtract from this 3.33. So can you tell me what we will be getting over here?
Ma'am, -3.
-3. Are you getting, Shamya? We will be getting -3 over here.
Yes, ma'am.
Is the bigger number, the larger number is negative, so result will be negative. Okay, and eventually here also we will be getting -3 by -9. That means 1/3. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So here also by doing any way we are getting 1/3, and this is how, this is the whole process of writing the given non-terminating recurring decimal number in the form of P/Q, that is rational number. Okay, let's take few more examples. We were having 0.25 bar. Let's do it quickly. Okay, if we are having 0.25 bar, what we were doing, x equals to whatever is there, take it. So 0.25, just expand it a little bit. 25, 25, both the numbers, both the digits are having bar on the head. That means both will repeat itself, dot dot dot. Okay, now how many digits are repeating itself over here?
Ma'am, 2.
Yes, Samya, 2.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
what we need to do the multiplication?
Ma'am, with 100.
Samya, what we will multiply? He is saying with 100. Is it correct? Is it so?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, since 2 digit is repeating itself, we will be multiplying the 1 with 2 zeros. If 3 digit is repeating itself, then we will multiply 1 with 3 zeros. Like that, we need to do the multiplication. So if 0.25 bar is there, we need to multiply 100 on both sides. So here it will be 100x, and there if we will multiply 100 with 0.252525, what we will get?
Ma'am, 25.2525.
Yes, Samya, will it be 25.2525?
Yes, ma'am. It will be 25.25 bar.
Yes, 25.25 bar, 252525, like that. Okay, here we are having 100x. We got equation number 1, equation number 2. Now we know we have to do the subtraction from 2, 1 minus 2 or 2 minus 1, same thing. So let's do 2 minus 1. We will be getting 100x minus x is equals to 25.252525 minus 0.252525. Obviously both are continuing. Okay, so what we will get as a result on the left hand side, what are we going to get?
Ma'am, 99. X.
9x. On the right hand side,
Ma'am, 25.
25 only, right, Samya?
Yes, ma'am.
So x will be,
25 upon 99.
yes, and hence we got, this is the steps which we need to follow when we want to represent non-terminating recurring decimal number in the form of P/Q, and that's why we say it's a rational number. Okay, now let me take one more example where we are having a little bit different scenario. Just a second. let's say we are having 0.235 and this 35 is having bar. Okay, previously whatever number was there after the decimal, all the number was having the bar, but here that is not the case. Okay, how we will write it in the form of p by q? So the same process we will follow. Okay, let's continue. X equals to 0.235. 35 will repeat itself, not 2, because 35 is having bar on the head. Okay, now how many digits are repeating itself?
I'm 3.
Is it 3 or 2?
Ma'am, 3.
3 digit is repeating itself. 35
Ma'am,
is only
2.
having bar. Yes, Samya, only 35 is having bar on the head. Only 35 is having bar on the head, not 2.
Okay.
I mean, not 2 means this 2 is not having. That's what I want to say. This 2 is not having bar on the head. Okay. So we need to check how many digits are repeating itself. How many digits are recurring. Okay, 35353535 like that it is continuing. That means we need to multiply by
I'm 100.
100. Since two digits are repeating itself, we need to multiply by 100. Okay, so
Okay.
let's multiply. This is equation number 1, multiplying both sides by 100. So this side it will be 100x and this side we need to multiply by 100. Please let me know what are we going to get. That's why I was explaining the decimal subtraction.
Ma'am, 23.535353.
Yes, Samya, what are we going to get? Samya, this
Ma'am,
decimal,
25.35 bar.
yes, this decimal will shift two places, here
Yes, ma'am.
and then here. Okay, so it will become 23.5 and then 3535 like that. Okay, getting it?
Yes, ma'am.
Main thing to understand is 5 will be here and 23 will be here. On the other side, we are having 100x. This is equation number 2. Now 2 minus 1 or 1 minus 2, same thing we will need to follow. So we will be having 100x minus x on left hand side, 99x. Please let me know what will be there on the right hand side.
Ma'am, only 23.
Yes, Samya, what will be there? Let's do the subtraction. 23 point. Let's do it. 5, 3, 5, 3, 5, 3, 5 like that. And 0 point decimal below decimal. Okay. 2, 3, 5, 3, 5, 3, 5. Have I written it correctly? This is from equation 2 and this is from equation 1. Getting it?
Yes, ma'am.
Everything became 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. 5 minus 2, 3. 23 minus 0, 23. So can we say that we got 23.3?
Yes, ma'am.
Arhan, getting it?
Yes, ma'am.
We got 23.3. Okay. And now only we were discussing how to write it in the form of fraction. 23.3, how to write it in the form of fraction?
Ma'am, 233 upon 10.
Can we write it like this, Samya? 233 by 10.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, we can write. Okay. 99x is here. So x will be 233 by 10 into 99. Okay. 10 into 99. That means 233 by 990. X equals to this is what we are getting. That's why you must have seen this type of condition, that when we are having 0.235 and this two are having bar, so it will be 235 Okay, I believe this type of question you have not seen. This is the first time we are getting the mixed. You must have just seen this type of scenario where we are having 0.25, both are having bar, 0.9, 9 is having bar. So when it is mixed like this, 0.235, 35 is having bar on the head, the result will be 233 by 990. Is it clear to
Excuse me,
both of
ma'am.
you?
Yes, ma'am.
Excuse me, ma'am.
This is how, yes, Arhan, you are saying something.
Ma'am, after expanding the decimal, uh, we are getting the a non-terminating decimal, but it is ending with 4. It is not reoccurring.
Yeah, it is just going to continue. You are saying it is ending with 4,
Yes, ma'am.
like 35353534 times I have written. That's what you are saying, Arhan?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, it is not ending with 4. It is just going to get continued. And a lot of 353535 we are having, all one below other. And it will cancel out each other. Okay, 353535, like that we are having continued manner. And every, like, eventually we will get 0 0 0 0 0 0 like that. Only this 5 minus 2, that is 3, will be there. Are you getting it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Only I am writing few times, but it is not few times. Okay, if here it is creating confusion, you can write it 23.5 and then 35 bar. Okay, on the other one 0.2, then 35 bar. 35 bar and 35 bar will make 0 eventually. Getting it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Arhan,
ma'am.
this is what you was asking.
Yes, ma'am.
And 5 minus 2 is 3. 23.3 we are getting. Please let me know if you are having any confusion still.
No, ma'am.
No?
No, ma'am.
Shamya, is it clear now?
Yes, ma'am.
I am writing few times, but even if I will write 10 times, 20 times, 30 times, or will fill the whole screen, eventually it will make 0. Okay? Just a second, no? Let me give you one question. Please try it first. Do this one, no? 0.47. Please do try this one. Okay? Yes. Have you done Samya and Arhan?
Not yet, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Done?
1 minute.
Arhan done already?
No, ma'am.
Okay, first finish it. And after finishing, no, if possible, please take a snap and send it to me on the same number from where you got the message, links and everything. On the
Okay,
same
ma'am.
number, you need to send the snap. I just need to see the steps.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. Yes. Okay, do it. Yes, Arhan, Samya. Is it done?
Ma'am, I'm almost done.
Ma'am, I have sent.
Okay, you have sent already. Just a moment. Let me.
I'm done, ma'am.
Yes, Arhan, sent.
I'm sending, ma'am. I have sent, ma'am.
Yes, both of you have done it correctly. Okay. Yes, Arhan, it's perfect. Shamya, it's perfect. Okay, this is how we have to do it. So today, please give the assessment from rational number. Let me check anything we are missing from this portion. Let's say we are having no this type of number. Let's say 1 by 7 is given as 0.142857, all having bar on the head. Can you predict the decimal expansion of 2 by 7, 3 by 7? Predict, guess it without doing without giving a lot of effort. Is it possible for you to predict what is 2 by 7, what is 3 by 7, what is 4 by 7? Is it possible? Anyone? Arhan or Samya?
Yes, ma'am.
How can we do it?
Ma'am, by multiplying it by, like ma'am, it is 2.2 upon 7. We can just multiply it by 2 into 0.12857.
Exactly. We can write this 2.2 by 7 as a 2 into 1 by 7. 3 by 7 we can write 3 into 1 by 7. 4 by 7 we can write 4 into 1 by 7. And 1 by 7 value we already know. That is this one. Okay, so we can do 2 into 0.142857 like this. We can do 3 into 0.142857 like this. Okay, if we
Okay.
have to do the multiplication, no worries. We are going to do the multiplication like this only. Let's do. It will be 2 times 0, 0. Like just do the multiplication 0.142857. This multiplied with 2. Just do the multiplication. Whatever you will be getting, that will be 2 by 7. Okay. Similarly, just do the multiplication. Whatever you will be getting, that will be 3 by 7. Just like 7 2 times 14, 4 carry 1, 5 2 times 10, 1 11 carry 1. Okay. In 8 2 times 16, 1 17, 7 carry 1, 2 2 times 4, 1 5, 4 2 times 8, 2 1 times 2, 0.2, like that. This is 2 by 7. Are you getting, Arhan?
Yes, ma'am.
This is how we have to do when the question is like this, without doing a lot, without giving a lot of effort. Is it possible to predict it? Is it possible to guess it? Yes, we can guess. Okay, so all the important questions from rational number we have covered. Please give the assessment and let me know if you are feeling any doubt in any of the question. In the next class, we'll be covering irrational number. Maybe 1 or 2 class we'll be taking for that, and then we will be done with the first chapter. Second chapter already covered. First chapter we have covered in detail. Then we will move to the next chapter. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.